it's Amy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to show you my fitness favorites. So without further ado, I think we should start this video. So today was my first day at the gym again, and I just currently, came in from the gym. Didn't even shower. I know, so gross, but I'm so sorry. I really wanted to film this straight away because, I am getting back into my routine again, and I thought I'd like to show you my favorite items, favorite products. So without further ado, I think we should start. I'm just gonna right into it and show you my first thing. This is a magnesium, and on this packaging it says you have to take 1 tablet a day. So these are the fizzy tablets. You're just gonna put into a glass of water, stir it up, and then you drink it. I only use it after a training day or when I have very sore muscles, because this helps you relax your muscles a little bit. So my next thing are these omega-3 fish oil capsules. It says to take it once a day, and I'm currently trying to do that again. So yeah, moving on to my next thing is this huge bucket of Whey Perfection from BodyFit. This has the strawberry flavor. This is my favorite flavor, and I think I'm just gonna stick to it. It's actually tastes kind of like a strawberry milkshake, and I really enjoy it, and I am always so happy when I come home from my training and I can drink one of those. If you don't know what Whey Perfection is, this is like a protein powder shake thing. You basically just drink it after your workout. Talking about my protein powder, I also have this shaker from BodyFit. This was for free to my order, and this is just a very cute pink shaker. You can actually choose from like different colors, but I really wanted a pink one. And as you can tell, I've still got a little bit of my shake left from my training today, so I'm gonna enjoy that in a bit. But for now, I'm just gonna put it by side. I've already been talking on this channel about my next item, but I'm still gonna include it here again. And this is my Kick-Ass water bottle. This is supposed to hold, I think, around 3 liters, but I'm not too sure right now, so don't get me wrong. But I think I measured it 2 months ago, 3 maybe, I don't know. Anyway, I've measured it and it contains around 2.5 liters, which is still completely fine for me. And I'm really obsessed with this water bottle because this, I don't know, it's just very good to see how much you drink throughout the day and still have to drink, because keeping hydrated is so important. And honestly, I also like to take it to my workout days in the gym because, it holds enough water, and that's just perfectly fine for me. This deodorant is one of my favorites by far, and actually I bought it kind of, without thinking about it, because I just thought, wow, this top thing, like the spray thing, seems really interesting. And honestly, you guys, this is so nice. It's the Pure Fresh Confident deodorant from Rexona, and it is like a 24-hour deodorant, and this keeps you fresh throughout your workout and on a daily basis as well. And I just really wanted to include this and show you guys this. This beautiful outfit I've been really enjoying. This is a Gymshark outfit, and it's very cute. I also have the matching leggings to it, like it's like a whole outfit. And I've already showed my favorite gym outfits in one of my latest videos, so check up the little tag I put up here. And I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and you should better follow me on my YouTube journey by subscribing, and also follow me on my Instagram at RobsonAmy as usual. I'm gonna blend it in right here and link it down below, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. And until then, I hope you're having an amazing day and an amazing week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.